Welcome back to Eat Fit Repeat, your daily dose of real, diet-based weight loss tips. If you're tired of misinformation and want simple truths backed by nutrition science, hit that like button and subscribe. Today we're diving into foods that claim to be healthy but silently sabotage your progress. Stick to the end. I'll also share easy swaps that actually help you burn fat. 1. Granola and healthy cereal. Granola looks clean and crunchy, but read the label. Most store-bought granolas are loaded with added sugars, oils, and preservatives. Even a small 1/2 cup serving can have 15 to 20 grams of sugar. That's like eating dessert for breakfast. Swap with homemade oatmeal topped with nuts, seeds, and fresh berries. You control the ingredients and the sugar stays out. 2. Flavored yogurt. It says low fat and probiotic, so it must be good, right? Wrong. Most flavored yogurts are sugar bombs disguised as health food. Some brands pack as much sugar as a candy bar in one tiny cup. Swap with plain Greek yogurt. Add your own honey or fruit if needed. Now you've got protein, probiotics, and fat-burning support. 3. Store-bought smoothies. Fruit smoothie sounds innocent. But most bottled smoothies are high in fructose, low in fiber, and full of preservatives. Even the green ones can have 40+ grams of sugar, almost double your daily limit. Swap with make smoothies at home using spinach, unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 banana, and a scoop of protein. This fuels fat burn, not fat gain. 4. Diet snacks and protein bars marketed as keto, low carb, or high protein. These snacks are processed, artificial, and full of hidden carbs and gut-wrecking ingredients like maltitol or sucralose. Swap with a handful of almonds, boiled eggs, or real food. If it comes in a shiny wrapper, your body probably doesn't need it. 5. Whole wheat bread. Yes, even whole wheat bread can block fat loss. Most commercial brands are made with enriched flours, added sugars, and preservatives, and they spike insulin just like white bread. Swap with sprouted grain bread or skip bread altogether and wrap your meals in lettuce or collard greens. 6. Fruit juices. Orange juice sounds like health in a glass. But strip away the fiber, and what you're left with is pure fructose, which stores as belly fat fast. Even the 100% juice versions can spike blood sugar like soda. Swap with eat whole fruits instead. Want hydration? Go with lemon water, green tea, or infused water. 7. Low-fat salad dressings. They remove the fat and pump in corn syrup, thickeners, and chemicals to boost flavor. Fat isn't your enemy, processed ingredients are. Swap with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mustard, or Greek yogurt-based dressings. So if you've been stuck at the same weight despite eating healthy, now you know why. Fat loss isn't just about cutting calories, it's about cutting the right foods. Cut out the fakes. Choose whole foods. And remember, if the ingredient list looks like a science experiment, it's not fat loss friendly. Want a full fat loss grocery list and done-for-you meal guide? Grab it from the link in the description below, and start dropping pounds without starving. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your granola-loving friends. See you in the next video.